Today, I'm going to be making the Duncan Hines Epic Chocolate Peppermint Cookie Kit. This comes with cookie mix, frosting, and sprinkles. It was $4.98 at Walmart. And so I'm going to open it up. We're going to get a look at what is in the box. I'm going to just pour it out. Okay, so this is your cream filling. We can set that to the side. These are our sprinkles, which are cute, little candy canes. And then this is our mix. So what you want to do is you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And it says grease a baking sheet with Pam. I use parchment paper because it's easier and you don't have to wash your pan if you have parchment paper, but you absolutely could grease it if you wanted to. You need 4 tablespoons of melted butter, which is half a stick, 1 egg, and 1 tablespoon of water. So what you want to do is just put all 4 of those things in a bowl and combine them. Just mix them together. What you're going to do is you're going to divide this out into 12 cookies because you're going to make basically 6 big cookie sandwiches. So I have a cookie scoop. I don't know how much this cookie scoop holds, but I'm just going to try to get 12 out. Now what you want to do is you want to put your sprinkles on a plate, because you're going to dip your mix into, you're going to mix just the, dip the top of the cookie into that. But I want to make sure I can portion it out into 12 cookies first before I do that. So I'm going to go ahead and do my 12, and then I'm going to go back and dip them in the sprinkles. Actually have a little bit left, so I'm going to go back, and this is why I didn't do my sprinkles. I'm going to add a little bit to a couple of these that look smaller to me, and shape them.
That one too.
Like this.
And that last one.
Okay. And sometimes stuff gets stuck in this cookie scoop too, but that worked pretty well. So now what you want to do is you want to take each one and just dip the top of it like this, and then put it back on your cookie sheet like this. For larger cookies, you can make either small cookies or large cookies. So you can make 24 cookies, which you bake for 11 to 13 minutes, or you can bake 12 cookies, which is what we're doing, for 12 to 15 minutes. So we're gonna bake these, I'm gonna go for 14 minutes, and then we'll take them out. This is how my cookies looked as soon as they came out of the oven, and the directions say to let them sit for 2 minutes and then transfer them to a wire rack. I just choose to allow them to completely cool right here and don't touch them. So they've been sitting here for probably 20 minutes and they're cooled off. So now you want to take your cream filling, and basically we're gonna make these into sandwich cookies. So you take a bottom and swirl this around, and I want it to get close to the edge like this, and then pick a top that matches and put that on top, and there's your sandwich cookie. Looks delicious. It says on the back, do not eat raw cookie dough. I figured I would just pass that.
Somebody usually asks.
Somebody usually asks, yes. It says find this recipe on DuncanHines.com. 1/12 of the cookie mix is 200 calories. Of course, we made 6 cookies, so I guess it says as prepared, it's 250 calories for a 12. So that would mean each one of these is 500 calories.
Yeah, double that.
Yeah. So that is a big, thick cookie. So we're wondering though if the peppermint flavor is in the chocolate as well as
I think it's in the frosting.
The frosting.
I don't know. I don't know if it is or not. No, I don't think it is.
It's hard to tell because peppermint is so strong and you're tasting it in those candy pieces.
I don't think it's in the frosting though.
I don't think it's in the frosting either.
No, it's just sweet. That's good though. I do like it. The peppermint, if they went any stronger with peppermint, it would have been medicine-y.
Right.
I think it's good the way it is.
No, I think it's good the way it is. It is a dark cookie. And we knew when we were mixing it together, Kevin said that looks like as black as charcoal. And it does. It's a very, very dark chocolate cookie. It's not a mix that I personally would go to all the time.
No.
So these epic mixes, some of them have ended up at the end of the month in our favorites video. This would not, for me, end up in that video because it's not one that I would want all the time. That chocolate is so dark to me. It's just not my preferred go-to cookie. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's a very soft. It makes a great sandwich cookie.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
It's very pretty. And like I said, you can make 24. So instead of making 6 like we did, you can definitely make 12 sandwich cookies. I think these would be very pretty, especially if you did make 12 for a party or something like that, small gathering. But it just wouldn't be my go-to because I'm not a peppermint and dark chocolate all the time person.
Yeah, I think the chocolate's a little dark too. It's not quite as dark as like Devil's Food, but it is a darker chocolate. But
yes.
I still like them. Like I said, if the peppermint had been any stronger, it probably would have been more medicine-y.
So do you think that peppermint is in the cookie itself?
I think it's just in the sprinkles. I don't know. It might be in the chocolate cookie. I didn't get a sense that it was.
No, it's not.
No.
I got chocolate cookie and frosting by itself, and there's no peppermint in it at all.
No, it literally just tastes like...
It tastes like an Oreo chocolate. So if you've had an Oreo cookie, that's what it tastes like. It tastes like dark, like an Oreo cookie with white frosting.
Right. Yeah. So if you want to adjust your peppermint, be a little lighter, just don't put as many sprinkles.
That's true. Don't put as many sprinkles. Or if you just want that Oreo flavor, that dark chocolate with the icing, don't put the candy cane. Yeah, just don't leave the candy canes off.
Yeah, that's true.
Because it's an easy mix to make. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.